Everyone's.
Yeah. Right. Move
Yeah,
on to the next one.
All
Yeah.
agree.
everyone's. In fact, the title of today of Q&A, I think, was posted, with the high turnover. And I think for me, that's one of the big risks that we face today. The average life expectancy for a chief marketing officer is 18 months. So when it comes to, and the trend is similar for a lot of other executive roles. And so one of the problems that we face is that people are not necessarily encouraged to make those strategic decisions. They're looking for the more short-term answers. And that starts to permeate, across an organizational culture sometimes. If people are moving roles, then there's less incentive to look at, maintaining and taking data quality seriously. I mean, I would love to have seen more focus being given on some of the recent breaches as who was in charge when those decisions were made to architect in those ways. Because 9 times out of 10, it was not the people who were dealing with the problem today. So from my perspective, although it is a very glib answer to say everybody, it's quite true that we need to have an organizational view of why data is important and where and how we can take the steps to maintain data at its highest quality, that's possible within the context of your organizational capabilities.
Yeah, I would just say, so you definitely need executive sponsorship for these sorts of things. You're not going to get a framework that monitors data quality over time. As James was saying before, it's an ongoing journey. It's not a single fix. So if you have exec sponsorship to put those systems so you can monitor it, but execs can't, they're not the ones at the coalface actually entering data into a system or working with that data and having the opportunity to correct errors as they come across them. So you need, it's a cultural thing too, and it's analogous to the designing security into all layers of your process. You need to design quality into all layers of your operation here, so it's not a easy project to do because it actually touches every layer of the onion, and you need to have that mindset of at this point, how can we affect the architecture or the design or the processes to build data quality into it.
I'm doing a lot on this at the moment in trying to educate the business owners of business systems that data quality is not just about the data quality of what they believe they need to run their process. It's all of the downstream people or parallel connected systems that if you're on any journey towards data-driven maturity, data-driven insights, you have to, as you said, have to have it from the enterprise. You have to have those business owners respect and respond to things that may not necessarily be within their core system. And again, culture, journey, etc.